Hello guys, this is Ron Tips. Today I show you how to make a bubble chart in Google Sheets. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Alright, and this first open Google Sheets, okay, and create Google Sheets new project or open old project. Okay, open or create project and category and amount, and click on car and press shift your keyboard and click on this and select all category, select all amount. Okay, and left corner click on insert and click on chart, right corner chart editor and click on chart type and scroll down. Okay, and search scatter and bubble chart. Click on this and that's all. You create bubble chart. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.